Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, where we make tech simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a super common issue: how to get PowerPoint to print your slides full page, especially with the 2025 updates. Whether you're a student, teacher, or professional, nothing's more frustrating than slides cutting off during printing. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps in just a couple of minutes so you can get it right every time. First, open your PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Make sure you're using Microsoft PowerPoint 2025 or the latest version to avoid any glitches. Once it's open, head to the File menu in the top left corner and click on Print. This will bring up the Print dialog box, where all the magic happens. In the Print settings, look for the Settings section. Here, you'll see options for layout and scaling. To ensure full-page printing, select Full Page Slides if it's available. If not, check the Scale to Fit Paper option. This will adjust your slides to fit the entire page without cropping. Pro tip: if your slides still look off, double-check the paper size and orientation in the printer properties. Click on Printer Properties to make sure it's set to something like letter, size, and the correct portrait or landscape mode. Before you hit that print button, always preview your slides. Click on Preview to see how everything will look on the page. If it looks good, go ahead and print. If you're running into persistent issues, try exporting your presentation as a PDF from the File menu and then printing the PDF. It often bypasses formatting problems. And there you have it. With these easy steps, your PowerPoint slides will print perfectly every time. This quick fix can save you tons of time and hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.